Good afternoon, everyone. I just spent the morning here in Hamilton. We're Recovery Advocates of America. This is a phenomenal program that helps people with addiction. I'm here with Mike and John, and I just want to thank you, gentlemen, for allowing me to listen and learn this morning and this our time together. And Mike, maybe you could share with us kind of the basics of what you do here and why it's important.
Sure. My name is Mike Zaccardi. I'm the Executive Director of Recovery Advocates of America, as well as an addict in recovery. I am 6 years clean from heroin. And what we do here, we are a not-for-profit organization that helps, what I like to say, we take people from active addiction to sustained recovery. And whatever that takes, we do transports, recovery support, meetings. We offer all kinds of things out of our office. We never charge for our services. And we're out at the hospitals, the police stations, helping wherever and whenever we can. We've been around about 8 years. And you know, I started doing this because addiction affected me late in life, and I lost everything. But it's okay, it's my journey. And I'm here today because we're losing a generation of kids. Kids are dying each and every day. Over 170 people die of an overdose every day in the United States.
It's a crisis.
It's a crisis.
It's a crisis.
So we are out here in the community. We do a lot of education and awareness. We speak in schools. We speak, you know, we help with the police departments, even the probation officers. You know, we're just out there and trying to make a difference. And we can only do this with the help of, you know,
Well, yeah. Well, I'm maybe God willing.
just listening matters.
Yeah, well,
Yes.
and obviously, as I pursue a chance to serve you in office in Washington, that's very important. I was so impressed to see you at the Memorial Day parade we were at, and you were out there at Robbinsville, and I was so impressed because everyone's affected by this.
Yes.
It's not just rich, poor kids, rich
Absolutely.
kids, white, black. It doesn't matter.
Sure.
I mean, everybody's affected. I was hoping, John, you could share with us just a story of somebody you helped in this through the program.
Sure.
That really had impact.
A young man came through this program, came through it 5 years ago, and came through a number of times. And finally, you know, we got him out to Florida. We had him, you know, brought out there. Been successful. He is now a fireman and a licensed EMT with 5 years clean, and a pillar in his community. So we take those stories, and those are the ones that really make a difference and give us the fire to do what we do.
Well, I appreciate you saying, you know, this is selfless work. Everyone I met today, you know, nobody's getting paid a lot of money working for 501c3s. And I know you guys have talked about your staff, taking care of your staff first and sacrificing for your community. But when you get that phone call from the mother,
Yes.
or the father, or the grandmother, says, thanks for saving my child's life. And I know the stories you shared this morning about going to the emergency room, picking someone up in New York and driving them to Pittsburgh so that they could have a bed. We know there aren't enough beds for people for detox and to get the care they need.
Right.
That's where the government comes in. We know communities that are using Medicaid are underfunded. We know people who are uninsured can't get the care they need, and you're filling a huge gap in this recovery, in this opioid crisis today. So thank you. We're here in Hamilton. Recovery Advocates of America. They do meetings here for those who are suffering from addiction. There'll be some information on the video. I encourage everyone to donate to this organization and to make sure that you invest in these enablers that help people get clean and help people survive, because this opioid crisis is real and it's affecting all of us. So thanks for taking the time today. We'll spread the word.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thanks, Mike.
Thank you.
Thanks,
My
John.
pleasure.